You know I love gay men for two reasons. एक तो they'd leave all the girls for us, और दूसरा they take away some men with them too.
Monty gay?
I knew it. तभी तो बचपन के सारे पार्टीज में मेरे हील्स पहन के भाग जाता था.